In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best golf stand bags in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. The Cobra Ultralight stand bag has plenty of storage, especially when compared with its weight. The dedicated apparel pocket is a particular standout as it is big enough to fit an extra layer of clothes, plus a full set of waterproof clothes. 8 pockets are also enough for most people to keep their gear organized. Your clubs will be safe and sound in the 5-way, full-length dividers. Many of the cheaper stand bags only have a top divider. Although that saves a little weight, the clubs can get snagged more often. The Cobra Ultralight is easy to maneuver too. It has a quick-release shoulder strap to make simple adjustments. There is also a hip pad that keeps you cool on hot days. The handle at the crown of the bag also makes it a breeze to pull these bags in and out of the car. This is one of the most stable bottoms of our top picks, so if you know your most frequented course is a little bumpy, or you spend a lot of time in the rough, this could be the perfect stand bag for you. Number 4. The 2023 Sun Mountain 4.5 LS 14-way stand bag is one of the most versatile bags we had the pleasure of testing. We love the leg locking system, the magnetic pockets to put our keys and phone in, as well as the durable outer nylon material. Sun Mountain is famous for making bags that are built for walkers. We took the bag out onto carts without any problem. We also saw how easy it was to maneuver this bag on a push cart. This bag comes in a 4-way or 14-way divider system depending on your preference. We cover how to organize your 14 divider bags. Check it out. Number 3. The Fairway 14 bag from Callaway is the answer for anyone who either uses a push cart or powered golf cart most of the time. With a new 14-way divider lowrider top with a rubber overmold putter well, and plenty of space both inside and in the pockets, you can put everything you want in this large and well-thought-out stand bag that works well on both push carts and powered golf carts. The 14-way dividers aren't for everyone, but this one works well. The trick when using one is to basically memorize where each club goes so you don't find yourself searching for the empty spot when replacing a club during a round. That simply comes with playing with the bag for a while and developing your own system of consistently delegating each club to a corresponding slot. With that said, once you are comfortable with your club assignments, having a 14-way divider is very beneficial because the clubs never get stuck while trying to remove or replace one. A pass-through for the cart strap is another great bonus for anyone who uses a powered cart or a push cart that has straps, because it gives you unlimited access to all your pockets because the strap isn't covering any of them. If you take a lot of golf balls on the course, or you're a collector of found balls, this bag's ball pocket easily stores more than 24 golf balls, plus the other 5 pockets are also very large, including the lined valuables pocket, which includes a clasp for your keys. Although this isn't a bag you're likely to carry, the stand is still pretty important because it allows you to take it to the range or around the putting green and have it stand up on its own, which is especially helpful if the range doesn't have racks for bags. There's also a magnetic pocket for quick access to a rangefinder or GPS device, which is also a great feature if you're using a push cart with the bag. 11 color combinations, removable straps, new metal zip pulls on the pockets, a new alloy towel ring, and improved, durable fabric are also part of the package that makes the Callaway Fairway 14 a solid choice. Number 2. The tailor-made 2022 Flex Touch crossover bag is one of the best stand bags of 2022. Carrying your clubs with this incredible design boasts 6 pockets that make your items in this bag feel like you're barely carrying anything during your round. The lightweight feel provides the proper balance between large and long carries with easy transportation. We also like the deep ball pocket at the center of the bag, providing incredible storage space that will keep the weight balanced on the shoulders. We like that it comes in multiple colors. For instance, check out the tailor-made 2022 Flex Touch crossover in white. Feels incredibly secure, but also can withstand those elements when you've decided to bring your rain gear along. The one downside with this bag is that you can stuff all the pockets. And if those items are already heavy, you may feel like you're carrying a load of bricks. But, remember, you can easily access so many pockets during your round that you may find it worth it. We think so. Number 1. First pick in this best golf stand bags guide is the Players 4+ Stabry bag from Titleist, a high-quality, stylish and versatile bag indeed. It features a tour-inspired, low-profile top cuff, 4 full-length dividers, and a new premium double strap for enhanced comfort and simplified adjustment while carrying. The new strap is noticeably more comfortable and is also self-balancing, meaning your clubs stay upright with no chance of falling out when you're walking. The stain-dry waterproof construction and the high-grade lightweight aluminum legs make for a practical bag in all conditions. The bag also features 8 pockets, 3 more than last year, including an expandable full-length apparel pocket which we found held more than enough clothing. Other pockets include a new one exclusively for tees, a redesigned, larger beverage pocket and a quick-access accessories pocket with magnetic closure. This bag feels incredibly sturdy and well made too, and the new strap has made it even more comfortable to carry, a great all-rounder. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.